Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing one of the most profitable Forex trend direction day trading and 4 indicators. This is a professional MT4 trading system for Forex trader. This system includes NO REPAINT accurate buy and sell Forex signals, dynamic pivot points, daily range detection and an advanced alerting system. This is a versatile system that can be used for scalping, day trading, swing trading and long-term currency trading. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. For buy signals, open a buy trade when price at the support level and at the first green arrow appear and trend analyzer shows blue color up arrow. Place a stop loss below the previous swing low. Close the buy trade at an opposite signal or for a fixed profit target. For sell signals, open a sell trade when price at the resistance level and at the first red arrow appear and trend analyzer shows red color down arrow. Place a stop loss above the previous swing high. Close the sell trade at an opposite signal or for a fixed profit target. This indicator system best work all time frame and all trading sessions. And also this indicator system best work for all currency pair. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to take live backtext of this signals, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this strategy. Please join my Telegram channel, for free download this indicator, link given below the video description. Well guys, that's enough for today and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.